The Business Sense program exists to support current and aspiring business owners at all stages. This is primarily done through one-on-one consultations, which are offered in our branch, over the phone, or through video conferencing. During these free consultations, a small business advisor will work with you to address any questions or business development needs that you may have. Topics range from exploring the feasibility of a business idea, to reviewing the pricing structure of your services or products, to using social media in your business, and everything in between. A small business advisor is also available to assist in loan application preparation with tasks such as preparing a business plan or financial projections. While working with a small business advisor does not guarantee approval of your loan, our goal is to help you identify weak spots in your application and help you to submit as strong of an application as possible. The program also offers a number of workshops throughout the year on a variety of business development and business management topics. Please visit the Business Sense section on alternatives.org to view the upcoming schedule and register, or to schedule a consultation.